So we're reading for sign of Capricorn. So all that you need to know about your person from now until the end of the month. So what's happening with your person now? So first off will come off to you. What is happening with you, Capricorn? What's happening with your life right now? With Four of Swords, you guys could be taking a break. You guys were overwhelmed by this connection, so many of you guys could be possibly taking a break from your person, or not wanting to interact much. In the past with Queen of Pentacles, I believe some of you guys were focused on your own self, not doing much about the connection. Even though top card we have here is Eight of Pentacles, yes, which clarifies the fact that you guys were very focused on your work life. Okay, regarding the connection, what's your mindset, Capricorn? Regarding the connection, what's your mindset? Regarding the connection with Temperance card, if it sorts, you want to sort it out, but you're not going to try harder. You're going to possibly hold back. You're going to wait for this person to approach you, and if you guys can still manage to sort the differences, you will. Okay, it's not like you're closed off to it. Okay, so regarding your person, what are they up to? Capricorn soulmate, what are they up to? With the Moon card, this person could be hiding secrets from you, not wanting to express their feelings, wanting to stay at a distance, not being very interactive as well. Okay, in terms of how they're thinking about you, now. Some of you could be dealing with the Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. With Nine of Pentacles, this person has always been acting single. They have never been fully invested. Okay. With Seven of Wands, this person has always kept you at a distance, never really given you that feeling that this was a relationship. They always maintain distance from you. If your person was very loving, this might not be your reading. Okay, one card for their feelings towards you now. What are their true feelings towards you? Yeah, again same card, Strength. So this person is very much resisting from expressing their feelings. About the past, Spirit, like the connection in the past. How is the connection in the past? In the past, this person, for some of you, could have walked away, but recently possibly messaged you or communicated, or possibly reassured that they are still into it, like they are not yet given up on you, but they are holding back a lot. Okay, in the past there could have been a small breakup. You are not approaching them, but you haven't given up either. Okay, so one card for their intentions towards you now. What are their intentions towards you, Capricorn, for the next, let's take 3 weeks? In terms of their intentions, we have King of Cups. They do not want to give up on this. Okay, so what action are they wanting to take towards you now? What action are they possibly wanting to take towards you now, Capricorn soulmate? With Nine of Wands, to be very honest, darling, I don't see this person doing much. Okay, reason being, Spirit, like what's currently blocking this person? What's currently blocking this person from being action towards Capricorn? What's blocking them is there could be more than one person involved. Okay, you guys have had history. There was a conflict. If there was not a third party, there was conflict, there was drama, and someone doesn't want to break the ice. Someone doesn't want to possibly be the better man and possibly approach, apologize, and start over. You guys are still very much in your ego, your pride. This person is not wanting to bend. You're not wanting to bend. So I do not know where this is going, to be honest. Okay. One card, what do they truly feel for you? Their true honest feelings for Capricorn, please. What do they truly feel for Capricorn? What do they have for Capricorn? With the Judgment card, this person needs to make a decision, darling. With Queen of Pentacles, they do care a lot about you, but this person has never behaved that way. They have always behaved like a player. They have never really, like taken the connection seriously. With the Judgment card, this person could be a player in the past, and they haven't completely changed. But the Knight of Wands also possibly clarifies that they also could be into a situationship with someone else, and they got to break ties from that person to choose you. So that could also be a major blockage. What do they really want to have with you now? What do they really want to have with you? With Two of Wands, they are at crossroads. They are not completely focused on you. I'll be very honest. Okay, so what can you expect from this person now? What can you possibly expect from this person? With Queen of Swords, they will talk to you, however, they may not be very giving. Okay, with Ten of Swords, they will definitely try to end the silence. Okay, by the end of the month, where do we see this going? Where do we see this going? With the devil card, I still do not see you both possibly being able to move on from each other. You're very much possibly disappointed by the connection. Okay, you do not see it going anywhere, but you cannot move on. One card for all those who want to be with a new person. What's happening with that connection? Capricorn, the new connection. For all those who have a new connection, you are not being able to completely free yourself from the past. Okay, you are a bit overwhelmed by the past. You are still stressed about the past outcome. You are not being completely able to invest into the new connection. Okay, the new person, how are they thinking about you? The new person, how are they thinking about you now? A new person, however wants to move forward with you. Where this is going with Capricorn and the new person by the end of the month? Where do we see this going? With Three of Pentacles, I believe the new person is much more better than the past person. The past person doesn't want to give anything. They don't want to quit on you, but they also don't want to give in. So that I do not know where it's leading. Possibly no way. So the new connection seems much more better. Let's take what you need to know about this person now. Capricorn for the next 3 weeks. What does Capricorn need to know about the connection? What are they hiding from you? Where is it going? Okay, we have a card. Looks matter. So for some of you, this person does care about looks. So if you are not one of the prettiest or not like one of the very good looking people, then that might be a problem for them. I'm not judging anyone, but sometimes people pretend that looks don't matter, but it very much matters to them. So yeah, that might be a problem. What else? Negative about this happening, so that they might not be very positive about this possibly going full circle. Okay, a sweet talker, hidden intent. So this person might be a player who's always sweet with their words, but when it comes to taking action, they go nowhere. Okay, last card we have is let go, out of reach. So I believe that for many of you, this person, that the past person really isn't getting anywhere. The connection isn't getting anywhere. So the best thing for you is to drop that and look elsewhere. I know this might not be something you want to hear, but my job is to possibly tell you whether this connection is going to work, not work, whether you should give in, not give in, possibly look elsewhere. And my total outcome from the reading is that you should look elsewhere. This person is not willing to give you anything. The new person, however, looks more promising. The past person is just bullshit. Mind you, I do readings for Capricorn who have been done wrong, not for cross watchers. So if you're a cross watcher who's watching for Capricorn, then please do not get all mad about it. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much. Please do like the video, comment. Please go to my website if you want a personal reading from me. You could book one that fits best for you and let me know later. Thank you so much and see you soon, guys. Cheers.